What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel for yet another video. This is another video about free products that you could also get. This time I am talking about the company Influenster. So Influenster, you can sign up on their website and then download the app to your phone, and they send you different surveys, different questions, things that you can answer if you tested out products, and they use that to tailor the type of products that they want to send you from their company to try. So today I have a box. This is a long overdue review, you guys. I got this box last month, but I have been so busy with some family health issues and my own health issues, so I'm going to take the time to review this now. So inside of this box we have the products. Influencer always put their boxes in these nice packaging with the tissue paper. And they always send a insert card. This is the Dazzle Box box, and it has the back of the products on it, which you have. So the first product I have is the Clairol Professional Semi-Permanent and Temporary Hair Color, which is this one. And this is Dazzling in the color Cherry Cola. And this hair color, you don't have to bleach your hair. It just lightens your hair without you having to bleach your hair, so it dyes your hair from black to this cherry color. So I may come back and do a review on this for you guys, because I'm really thinking about dyeing my hair, because I keep my hair hidden anyway, and I just want to see what my hair would look like, red or blonde. So I may come back and just do a quick review on this for you guys later on, so you guys can see if it actually turns out good. They also sent me the Clairol Professional Thrive Keratin Rescue Split End Repair. It's a lightweight cream formulated to leave dry, damaged hair smooth and frizz-free all the way to the ends. It says it can be used to refresh or moisturize as needed. It advises you to twist the hair strands for more defined curls and put it on damp hair. So this is that, and I'll come back and do a review on this as well, you guys. And then also we have the new Gold Bond Ultimate Hydrating Cream Radiance Renewal Cream, and it has coconut oil, cocoa butter, African shea butter, and it delivers nourishing extended hydration. It can gently exfoliate to help remove dead, dry skin cells that cause your skin to look flaky or ashy, and it's helped to prevent visibly dry skin from coming back altogether, and is dermatologist tested, non-greasy, and a guaranteed 24-hour moisturization. So I'm actually going to go ahead and test this now because my skin is dry. It smells amazing. It's a thick formula. It smells just like cocoa butter. Like, it smells just like Palmer's cocoa butter. Oh, you guys, and there's a coupon in here too. It is for a free keratin rescue and a free jazzing hair color. You can choose any shade with the hair color. All right, so the lotion, it's really thick and smooth. I really like this because you can feel the lotion sitting on top of your skin. You know how, like, with watery lotions, you have to keep rubbing and keep rubbing and keep rubbing, and you can actually feel it going away, like sinking into your skin to where it takes the ash away, but you still feel dry. This sits on top of your skin, and literally as soon as I rub my hand like that, you can still feel how smooth it is. And my skin is shimmering, if you guys can see that. That's like a nice tint color, especially for the summertime. This is like a nice shimmer. It doesn't even say, does it? Well, it says Radiance Renewal, so it is really shimmering. I don't know what's in here, but my skin is shimmering. It's smooth. It smells amazing. I've never bought any Gold Bond products, but this I would buy, because my problem with lotions, I usually just use like thick creams, like Carol's Daughter body butters. I don't usually find lotions that I like, but this, because they're usually watery or they don't last, but this I like it just off gate. I love this, so I think that this is definitely a go-to for me now. So that was everything that was inside of this influencer box. I'll come back to you guys soon with another review of some more products that you guys can get free. Also coming up soon, I am going to have another giveaway full of the products that I collect multiple products of, or products that people send to me that I personally don't use, like if it's men products or products for like different things on your face. I'm very particular about things that I use on my face, so if it's like targeted toward things that I don't need to work on, I'll give it away to somebody else. And also the same thing with hair products, just things of that nature. So stay tuned for that, because that's going to be a really huge giveaway once I collect everything. And also there will be a 500 subscriber giveaway coming up as well. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.